Not so true, no modding. As you can see, I swap out the keycaps to enhance the RGB. Without the subtle change, the stock keycaps just block the RGB from illuminating right through. What a waste. It's like putting a blanket over your keycaps. Don't go for those cheap pudding keycaps. They are not as thick and heavy as the double shot. Iqunix, if you are listening, try making at least one keyboard that has backlit keycaps instead of your boring, same old traditional non-backlit keycaps. I'm using the Steel Series white double shot pudding style keycaps. If any of you YouTubers ever wondering what keycap I'm using. This video is not sponsored in any way by Iqunix. I purchased this with my own money. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Heck, lucky I swapped out those stock keycaps. I could see brown stain and discoloring on one of my keycaps that were heavily been typed on. My guess is the plastic that they use for the keycap absorbed the oil or sweat from my finger and stain it. Beside that little con, the keyboard is great. The thock sound I have experienced is like no other. To this day, I'm still in awe. You have to try it to believe it. I have opted for the cherry stab and the TTC speed silver switches. Bought the keyboard through the company main site. I have the L80 Cosmo Traveler that I have ordered from Amazon coming to me this week. This time I opt for the TTC Gold Pink instead. Stay tuned. I will cover the L80 Cosmo Traveler in my next video. Why do this kind of keyboard kept calling themselves 80% layout when in fact it's 75% layout? If you look at the TKL, either the drop or the Logitech, Now that is the true 80% layout. By the way, I have that in my studio, which I will do a review in the near future. Maybe I will do a comparison between the 75% and the 80% so the viewer know the difference. If you like this video, give me a thumb up and don't forget to click and subscribe. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. P.S. I am envy to those that have the OG80 Panda version. I believe no one can buy this. It was made especially for charity event. Peace.